Thank God for this today weather. The weather is so nice here in Germany here. Thank God for the life.
Hello, Mama Funsco.
Who is that? Who is that?
It's me, oh, longest time.
Oh, my friend, the Messi. Is that not Messi?
Yes, sir.
How are you? How is your side?
Fine, oh, thank God. How you doing?
I'm fine, oh.
You are enjoying, you.
Thank you. We have no other choice than to be thanking the God and be enjoying ourselves, because if you don't die, you don't finish. It's just 6 feet.
Hey, Mama Funsco. I wanted to ask you this question since.
What is that, my friend?
How do you see this independent they always do every year? Independent.
You mean independent for Nigeria independent?
Yes, independent.
Independent, not that one that we say we both colonize us and we come they free for their hand. We come they celebrate. Is that one?
Yes.
Okay. There's always a good day for everything. This thing, I don't think any good thing about it at all. What did I want to think? Our youth, they should wake up for their slumber. What did I want to think? No good light, no better government, no good road, kidnappers everywhere. The children cannot go to school and come back safely. What did I want to think? I don't think good thing about it. Our youth should wake up for their slumber and they should stop celebrating independence, because we are not independent from our government. We're still in the cage of our government. We are not independent at all. We are not independent.
So what is your opinion now?
My opinion? You mean what I think, Abby?
Yes.
If they may ask me, Nigeria is just smiling and suffering. We have the meat like this, we will be suffer to eat it. They should stop this thing. Like I've said, we have clothing, we have anything to survive in that country called Nigeria, but we are still suffering. Our youth are suffering and they are the glory and the future of the country. The youth, I need to speak to them. They should stop celebrating anything independent, because we are not independent from our government. We are in the cage of our government. My advice for them is just for them to stop celebrating independence, because we are not independent at all. That is just my advice for them, my friend.
So what is your advice for the youth now?
That is what I'm saying. I say they should stop celebrating independence, because we are not celebrating. We are not independent. We are not independent. They should stop celebrating Independence Day. They should focus on how Nigeria go better, how it go be great. And my advice for the Nigerian government is that we want to share the country, my friend. If we share Nigeria, it will be better. Let Hausa go, Yoruba go, we need Oduduwa. Let Oduduwa come on, Yoruba people, these people should rise up. Let Oduduwa come up. If Oduduwa can come up, let Igbo fight for you. Let Hausa fight for Yoruba. We should stand up for our feet. We should stand up for our rights. Let our mumu don't stop. Not only to talk and for mouth only. We should stand for our rights. Let Oduduwa enter. Because nothing we are celebrating about the independence, we are not independent at all. That is my advice for the youth. They should stop celebrating it. They should fight for their rights there. They should fight for their rights. And what we need to for that country, we should depart. They should separate us. Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, they should go their way. And they should fight for their rights, youth, because they are the future of the country. Only what I say, where I go fit tell them.
This one a yawa, oh. This one a yawa.